The numbers show Utah's experiencing one of the worst COVID outbreaks in the country, ranked number 4 for the highest rate of new cases. A doctor at Intermountain Healthcare says we're still seeing the holiday surge. News specialist Jed Bull is live in Murray tonight, and Jed, he says we need to act now to keep it from getting worse.
That's right, Dave. The virus right now is every bit as infectious as it's been throughout the pandemic, despite the precautions that we've taken. That's why this doctor tells me that we need to guard against pandemic fatigue and complacency.
We are highest risk now of getting COVID, higher than we ever have been before. Therefore, we've got to make this a commitment to finish this race.
The latest Utah numbers show the likelihood of catching COVID-19 is headed in the wrong direction.
Our conclusion from that would be that that's the right timing for a post-holiday surge.
If you gather with different people every day and don't wear a mask indoors in unventilated areas, your risk is even higher. With a rolling average of 3,100 new cases a day and a positivity rate over 30%, Utah now has the 4th highest rate of new cases in the nation.
The next few weeks will be even more concerning because we haven't seen all the hospitalizations from this case surge.
The CDC now believes 60% of COVID transmission is from people with no symptoms.
So even more so an issue when you think about gathering over, say, 1 week, 2 weeks, over the holidays, through the New Year holidays.
Dr. Vento says we won't see the positive impact from the vaccine on our case numbers for months.
It likely will get worse in terms of numbers. So even more important that we have everyone recommit in 2021 to doing the preventive measures, public health measures that work.
Encouraging us to make it a New Year's resolution.
So if you're leaving the house and you're putting on clothes, you got to think that you're naked if you don't have a mask on.
Yeah, that's why he says masking up, social distancing, and limiting our gatherings to only people in our households are as important now as they've ever been.